Hello and welcome to another edition of Ask Hytrol. Today we will be demonstrating how to properly install a shaft-mounted drive on a Hytrol conveyor. Ensure you have the following tools on hand: safety gloves, rubber hammer, Allen sockets, torque wrench, anti-seize lubricant. For your safety and others around you, always perform lockout-tagout procedures on all machinery before performing any type of maintenance. Ensure the conveyor is properly supported and stationary. Inspect the drive shaft for any signs of damage, debris, or rust. Clean all components using a degreasing agent. If necessary, use emery cloth to clean the shaft. For shafts without a shoulder, install the clamping ring, ensuring the bore step faces toward the reducer. Slide the support bushing onto the shaft, aligning it with the clamping ring. Apply no-co assembly paste evenly over the entire surface of the support bushing. The clamping ring shows all the possible torque settings, so make sure the torque wrench is set properly. Then tighten down the clamping ring. While mounting the reducer, make sure the torque arm and mounting bracket are properly aligned. Install the bolt for stability, then finish clamping down the reducer. Ensure all bolts on the shrink disc are loose before installation. Slide the shrink disc onto the torque lock shaft until it rests against the shaft shoulder. Apply no-co assembly paste evenly over the entire surface of the torque bushing. Install the torque bushing and gently tap it into place until fully seated. With 2 fingers on each side of the shrink disc, tighten 2 bolts at the same time, opposite of each other, until slack is taken up. Rotate around the disc until all bolts are finger tight. Do not over-tighten. Locate the proper torque setting for this unit. It is etched into the side of the shrink disc. Then, starting at the top bolt and using a torque wrench, tighten each bolt a quarter turn in a clockwise pattern. Repeat this process until all bolts reach the correct torque value. It should take at least 8 to 10 complete laps around the shrink disc until you can torque every bolt and it pops as soon as you move the torque wrench. Do not tighten in a crisscross pattern, as this can cause the shrink disc to bind and prevent proper clamping force transmission to the shaft. After installation, perform the following checks to confirm the drive is correctly installed. Check for clearance between the shoulder and the clamping ring. Ensure clearance between the shrink disc and the support bushing. The shrink disc halves should be parallel and evenly tightened. If the halves are uneven, recheck the installation for errors. There must be clearance between the shrink disc halves. A lack of clearance may indicate that torque bushing is not properly seated. Final safety check. As with all installations, safety is the top priority. Before putting the system into service, ensure the torque lock cover is securely installed. Perform a final inspection to confirm all components are properly fastened. For more maintenance tips and information, contact your Hytrol Solutions provider.